Bersama-sama tanpa mau nulis sekarang semua teman-teman.
The Pagani Zonda is one of the most iconic and exclusive hypercars ever produced, representing the highest level of automotive, engineering and artistic craftsmanship. Designed by Horacio Pagani, the Zonda is built using advanced lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and carbon titanium composites, which provide exceptional strength while keeping overall weight extremely low. Its aerodynamic body is sculpted not only for visual impact, but also for maximum downforce, stability, and airflow efficiency at high speeds. At the heart of the Zonda lies a hand-built, AMG-sourced naturally, aspirated V12 engine. Known for its raw power delivery, mechanical purity, and legendary exhaust sound, every mechanical component is engineered with extreme precision, ensuring perfect balance, responsiveness, and performance. The interior reflects the same philosophy, combining exposed carbon fiber, aluminum, and handcrafted details that blur the line between engineering and art. Restoring a Pagani Zonda is not simply about repairing a car. It is about preserving a rare automotive masterpiece. Due to its limited production, complex materials, and ultra-tight tolerances, even the smallest restoration step requires expert precision. This makes the Zonda an extraordinary subject for a full POV SMR restoration documentary, where every detail highlights the craftsmanship, technology, and legacy behind one of the world's most revered hypercars. Restoring a Pagani Zonda is an extremely complex and high-precision process due to its rare construction, exotic materials, and race-grade engineering tolerances. Unlike conventional vehicles, the Zonda uses a combination of carbon fiber, carbon titanium composites, and metal subframes, which require specialized restoration techniques and absolute attention to detail. Every panel must be carefully removed, inspected, and protected to avoid microcracks, structural stress, or misalignment that could affect performance and safety. Rust repair on a Zonda is particularly challenging because corrosion often appears around metal mounting points, fasteners, and structural joints connected to composite panels. Cutting, welding, and reinforcing these areas must be done with extreme accuracy to maintain chassis rigidity and weight balance. Surface refinement involves multiple stages of precision sanding, epoxy primer application, high build primer leveling, and perfectly color-matched base and clear coats. Even a minor inconsistency in thickness or finish can compromise the car's aerodynamic efficiency and visual perfection. This level of restoration transforms the process into a form of technical art, where patience, craftsmanship, and engineering knowledge are equally important. In a full POV ASMR documentary, every subtle movement, sanding strokes, spray gun airflow, polishing passes, becomes part of a visually and acoustically satisfying experience, showcasing the extraordinary skill required to bring a Pagani Zonda back to flawless show.